I am going to show you how to test OpenStack Keystone or identity deployment with Tempest. So first we need a OpenStack setup. If you don't have OpenStack setup, you can install using this devstack tool. Go to this devstack.org and follow this simple step, so you can install OpenStack within within an hour, only within 30 minutes. You can install, you can make a OpenStack setup. So here you can also see a video. You can follow this video. So this will explain how to install that. Okay, so in my machine I have OpenStack setup, so it's running. So if I can see this dashboard and I can log in. Okay, so all my OpenStack setup are here. cd/opt stack. Here you can see all OpenStack projects, and cd OpenStack devstack. Here is my devstack folder. Okay, so I am going to install Tempest. So first let me create a, go to home directory. Let me create a folder. Test. Go to that folder and then clone Tempest from open github, git clone github.com OpenStack tempest.git. So this will download the Tempest right from the github. So it's doing that. Okay, after that you can run this command, nosetests -v tempest. This command will run all tests which are defined in the Tempest. Okay, it will take some time. Then let me copy this command, nosetests -v tempest. Okay, it installed. Let me open that folder in a separate editor. So okay, here you can see the code of Tempest project. So here I can see this is a Tempest folder. Inside Tempest folder, the API, CLI, common hacking, OpenStack, the sort of folders are there. Okay, so go to Tempest folder. So right now I am inside Tempest folder. Here you can see all those folders. Tempest. Some folder is missing. So yeah, one more folder is there, ls tempest. Here you can see all. Okay, we clear this one, ls. Okay, then run this command, nosetests -v tempest. Okay, I'm getting an error. This is a dependency, no module named mock. So we need to install all dependencies. So there is a simple way to do that. So we can run this script, run tempest.sh. If you run this script, this will ask you for the creation of virtual environment. Let me here. This is a script, test underscore run underscore test dot sh. Just run that one. So that will ask for no virtual machine, virtual environment found. Create one. So press Y and enter. So this will install all dependency of tempest project. I think this will take some time. So wait for that. Okay, all dependencies are installed. Okay, let me find the virtual environment. So here you can see the virtual environment folder .venv. So in order to use all those installed dependencies, we need to activate this virtual environment. So let me activate that one. Bin activate. Okay, virtual environment is now activated. Here you can see the symbol. Okay, then if you want to find the option, what are the options available in this with this so the tempest command, you can use -help. This will show less. Okay, this will show you all options. So if here one useful option which I found, so -f. If you use -x, stop running test after the first error or failure. That is useful. So this is not that. So let me run that command again. So because I installed all dependencies, let me try it again. It's something happened. Okay, again there is sort of errors. We use -x, -v, -x, so it will stop when it find the first error. So let me use the less command, otherwise it will be difficult to. So it's not useful. Run that command. So it's failed error 1. So let me see what is the error. So if you scroll up, you can see the error. Configuration file not found. Failed to read the configuration file /etc tempest.conf. So that file is missing. So what you have to do is, so here I noted that error. So solution for this error is just copy. In your tempest folder there is a folder named etc. Under that there is tempest.conf.sample file is there. So we need to copy that file to /etc tempest.conf. Okay, let me copy this command. Here is now our tempest folder. Inside tempest folder you can see one etc folder here, ls etc. Let me go to there, cd etc. So inside etc folder you can see tempest conf sample. So let me copy that, sorry, command is here. So copy that file tempest conf sample to. So before that I have to create that folder, sudo mkdir /etc/tempest. Okay, then copy tempest.conf.sample to tempest etc tempest.conf. Okay, done. So you can let me open this in another tab. So here I am going to open that file. If you go to that file, everything is commented. The first line you can see a default section. Then if you go down, you can see one bare metal section here, bare metal section. Then one Goto section here. Then CLI section here. Then compute section here. Then compute admin here. Compute feature enabled section. Then dashboard section. Data processing section. Debug section. Identity, that is keyboard keystone section. Then identity feature enabled section. Image glance section. Image feature enabled section. Input scenario. Then network section. Network feature enabled section. Object storage section. Object storage feature enabled section. Auto assistant. Then scenario, service available, stress, telemetry, volume feature enabled section. Okay, let me close this file. So I copied that file. So let me run that command again. This time I am not going to run this command nosetests -v tempest. So I am going to run the different one. So this is a simple one. This command, what this command will do is, this command will not run all tests. It will run only the test usage test in the identity module. So in this command I am going to run only the users test. So there is an error. So let me go back, go to the tempest folder and run it again. Okay, so then you will get one error like this: token not in auth URL. So I already find solution for this one. So what you have to do is go to etc tempest.conf and add this in the identity section. Under identity section you need to add the URI some like this. Okay, this go to open tempest.conf, then go to identity. Inside identity there is a URI section is there, URI variable is there, and set the value for this one 127.5000. This is the URL or URI of the Keystone service where, so this is the IP of the Keystone server, then port, then version of API v2. Okay, you can save this file. Sorry, I can't save. Put sudo, then okay, save. Let me run that command again. So this time I got different error. Details use, you must specify v3 URI if using the v3 identity API. See, I am using v3 API, so we need to specify that. For not to fix that issue, here I specified that issue here. In order to fix that one, you have to specify v3 URI under the identity section. Then go to the same file and scroll down. Here you can see v URI underscore v3. So there we need to put this URI. So the difference between these two are here version 2 and version 3. We save that file and run that command again. So here now I am getting different issue, unauthorized invalid username or password. So what is the solution for that one? Solution for that one is invalid. Where is that? Here. Solution for that one. So we need to. So there itself we can see the here. If you see this debug statement here, we can see the auth tenant name. Tenant name is admin credentials. Here you can see username, admin, password is pass. Actually this is wrong. My password is not pass. My password is OpenStack. So we need to configure the correct admin password. So go to the same file. Here we can scroll down. Here we can see admin password. Here by default it's pass. So change to the your original admin password. In my case it's OpenStack. And save this file and go to here and run this. Okay, it's working. So you want to test identity service, we need only this much configuration, that is only up to this. Actually this image compute part we don't need, so I will remove this. So we need only this much configuration to test identity. Okay, this URI v3 and admin password, this is enough to test the identity service. So let me show one more thing. Here you can see tempest.api.admin.v3.test.usage.py. You can see that file here. If you go to tempest, here you can see the API folder. Inside API folder you can see the identity folder, then admin folder, then v3 folder, then test usage.py. So this is a v3, so v3 identity v3 and test usage. Inside test usage.py you can see the class which is inserted from base identity v3 admin test uses v3 test json. Okay, so this is a file we specified here. So we can, as we don't need this .py, even if you don't specify .py, it will run. Actually this will run all the tests specified in this test usage.py. If you go to the test usage file, you can see a lot of tests. So if you want to run a particular test, for example test list usage point, I want to run only this function, this test. So how to do that? Just copy this class name and come here and put a colon, then class name, then dot, then copy the function name of the function which you want to run. For in this case this one, I copied that one, paste here and press enter. So it will run only that function. So the same way you can try all these things: test domain, test endpoint, group policies, point role, previous token, trust, credentials. You can try all those things. Let me run test domain, mains, projects, and lot of things, tokens, trust, groups, credentials, test roles, tokens, Okay, so if you specify invalid thing, for example tokens1, you will get error like module update has no attribute tokens1. Otherwise it will run without an issue. Okay, so this way you can test your identity or Keystone setup using Tempest. Okay, bye.